guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Monica. Today I'm going to show you how to create this candy cane clown as the 12th look in our 13 Days of Halloween series. So let's just jump right into it. I am starting off by blocking out my brows with a glue stick, doing about 3 coats of this, and then I'm also making sure to comb the hairs up and flat against my head with a spoolie. Once that's all set, then I am setting it with some translucent setting powder, followed with concealer, and doing about 3 combinations of this powder concealer combo. And then taking a white face paint, I'm just placing this all over my face and down my neck and using a beauty blender to blend this into my skin a little bit better and get rid of any streaking caused by the brush. And then taking a white eyeshadow and using this all around the eye just to set it, keep it from creasing, as well as filling in my waterline with a white eye pencil. I'm then going in with a light yellow eyeshadow and starting to sketch out the shape around my eyes. Once I'm happy with that, I'm taking a darker yellow and blending and buffing this out in that same area, going in with an orange eyeshadow and starting to create a gradient, starting from the orange, going into yellow, pretty much just blowing this out up into the hairline. Once that's all good to go, I'm using a black eyeshadow to start to define that shape on the inside. Buffing it out with a clean brush and then using a white concealer on a concealer brush to clean up that line. And then going back in with that yellow and orange eyeshadow and just make those colors pop a little bit more. Then taking a black water activated face paint, I'm using this to line that area around my eyes to make it more defined. And then I'm starting to sketch out the shape of my mouth with a white pencil. Then going in with a yellow and orange water activated face paint, I'm kind of mimicking the candy corn aesthetic with on the mouth. So doing a combination of yellow, orange, white stripes all throughout the mouth. Once I'm done with that, I'm then taking that black face paint and outlining the mouth to make it really stand out, as well as lining all those individual lines within the mouth itself in between all the colors. And then filling in that tail and corner with the black. And then starting to create these little triangle shapes on the top of where my eyes sit, as well as just creating a circle on the tip of my nose for a little clown nose. And then creating some false lashes on that lower lash line outside of that circle we created, making them really nice and dramatic. Popping on some mascara. While that's drying, I'm then moving on to the neck, where I'm just taking a combination of that orange, yellow, and black face paint and just creating this fun little dripping effect down the front of my neck. Then on a brush, I'm taking that black face paint and just splashing this around my face to create a little bit more of a gritty splatter effect. Then popping on some custom-made paper lashes that are really nice and dramatic, placing those on my eyeballs, and then that is it, you guys. We are now a candy corn themed clown. Thank you so much for watching. I actually had a lot of fun creating this one. As always, like and subscribe if you enjoyed this look. Be sure to also follow me on Instagram if you aren't already. I post a lot of fun content on there. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I will catch you in the last and final video next time. Mwah!